Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Falls Church, Virginia, and the homeowner has a couple different leaks. The first one is right here next to the pipe, and you can see the flashings coming up, and also the nails are coming up as well. And the reason why is because they did not attach it to the rafters underneath. There's a rafter right here, right there. When you step on the roof and you hear a solid sound, that knows you hit the rafter. Also, there's a rafter right here. So we're going to nail it into the rafter. The nails they used are a little bit short too. So before we nail the flashing into place, we're going to seal underneath here with polyurethane. And the polyurethane will block the water from getting underneath from a heavy melting snow or a heavy downpour. And by nailing it into the rafters, we're fastening into something really strong and secure so the flashing doesn't come up again. Also, there's a problem with the ridge cap here because whoever installed it, they did not waterproof underneath it. So what we have to do is remove the entire length of ridge cap. Once that's done, then we're going to take off this course of shingle on both sides. Once that's done, then we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield to this shingle starting from about right here, and we're going to bring it all the way up here to where the open breather was cut. The breather was cut from about right here, right along the entire length of the ridge, and then also about right here. So the ice and water shield will go from here to about right here, both sides, and then we're going to reinstall the ridge vent, the cap shingles, and the ice and water shield will seal the nails that's holding the cap shingles into place. Without the ice and water shield there, when the snow starts to melt and it goes underneath the ridge vent, the water can seep right through the sides of the nail, and then you have a leak. So that's it. The rest of the roof is fine. So that's it. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Falls Church and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.